The best advice is to grab some scrap material and practice before you attempt your project. MIG welding is an easy process where there's no need to strike an arc. You just need to place the nozzle and contact tip about 2 mm from the job and pull the trigger. The wire loading and setup of the MIG welders is basically the same for gas and no-gas welding. The difference is that you need to change the working leads to the correct polarity for the intended use. This way for gas, this way for no gas. Also, the wire roller will need to be changed to suit the wire being used. For gas welding, be sure to use the correct gas. Again, refer to this chart in your owner's manual for recommended settings, the correct wire, correct gas, and the correct power setting. Remember, the chart is a guide only, and further fine-tuning of settings may be needed. An important point to remember: all Weldcorp welders are fitted with a thermal overload protection, which protects the machine against burnout through overloading or extended use. The welder will automatically switch off when overheated and reset when the welder has cooled down enough to continue welding. Weldcorp has a large range of wire, electrodes, and accessories, so be sure to select the correct wire, electrode, and accessories to suit your welder. Read the product specification and recommendations on the packaging. The information will guide you to the correct selection for your project. Troubleshooting. No power. Check the power is connected and the power switch is in the on position. Check that the thermal overload switch is not on, and this is indicated by an illuminated yellow light on the front panel of the welder. When the welder cools, the switch will reset. Check supply fuse. Welder will not produce an arc. Check power connections and ensure the earth clamp is attached and has good contact. Blind burn holes in the material. The amp setting too high or the metal too thin. Arc unstable. Dirty workpiece or poor earth connection. Damaged electrode or insufficient gas. An inconsistent weld. Check the amp setting. Check wire feed speed. Check welding angle and speed. If your problem is continuing, you can call the Weldcorp helpline on 1800 011 812. Before we finish, remember these few tips. Safety. The most important point is to be aware of the safety aspects. Job preparation. Prepare the job correctly. Get the setup right. Check the settings. Match the base metal with the proper electrodes, wire and shielding gas. Have fun and practice to develop your welding skills.